What you're looking at is a ferry going across with about 200 passengers and about 50 to 60 vehicles on it. To the right is a cargo ship going through ICW, which is Intercoastal Waterway. This happened in Galveston, Texas in December of 2020. The ferry continuing toward the cargo ship, they're very close, really. I was concerned. Never seen this in 18 years. But apparently they do this all the time because if you notice, there's a ferry on the other side as well. Now he keeps going to the last second, then he turns around and flips the ferry. Here he goes. He's flipping it. He aborted at the last moment. I don't know why he has to get so close to abort, but I thought they're going to hit, and I was ready to capture it because it was going to be a national news. I was amazed at how close he got. I think they are like probably about 400 feet, something like that. So he went sideways and came to a stop waiting for the cargo ship to go by. He could have done that much earlier. I don't know why he decided to wait till the last second. Maybe he wanted to be on the film. Y'all tell me. But as always, go fishing, go boating, be safe, and maybe you see something weird like this after 18 years of boating. Good day, and I'll talk to you later. Enjoy the rest of the video, and see you on the next amazing video in Galveston. Bye.